Hi, in this Figma tutorial, I'd like to explain the difference between frames and sections and when it is best to use one versus the other. For this example, I have a set of cats on the left and a set of dogs on the right. I'll select my frame tool and draw a frame around the cats, nesting them within the frame. I'll select my section tool, drawing a section around the dogs, nesting them into the section. And as you can see, Figma gives you a preview of all the objects that will be nested within the section as I'm drawing it. So on the surface, frames and sections are very similar at this point. Both can be renamed, so we can name this one to cats, the section to dogs. The little title tab is a little bit different on frames versus section, this one that sticks out. Both can be selected. You can drag them around. Both can be recolored to any color. Now where it gets different is that in frames, you have the concept of constraints. So I will select this cat, pin it to top left, this one to top right, this one to bottom right, and this one to bottom left. And as I begin to resize my frame, you can see that the constraints are working as expected and exactly the way I designated them. In sections, on the other hand, as I'm selecting the objects, there is no constraints. And as I'm resizing the section, what happens is the objects get pulled out of the section or get added back to the section. In frames, the only way to get an object out of the frame is to select it and move it outside the frame like this. In sections, you can do the same thing like that to move it out of the section, or you can select the section and resize it to leave specific objects outside of the section. The other difference between the two is nesting. If I select my frame tool and draw a frame to nest both of these in there and move it around, you can see that the frame got nested, but the section did not. With sections, on the other hand, if I draw a section around both of these, you can see that both the frame and the section got nested into the parent section. In sections, I can quickly tidy up the bounding box by double-clicking either the edges, like this, or I can simply double-click the corner to tidy up horizontally and vertically. With frames, double-clicking the edges or the corner does not resize the frame. And lastly, the main differentiator is that with sections, you now have this new button which you can use to mark the section ready for developers. So if I select that, it provides this green tab. And now if I switch into developer mode, a developer can go in here and under ready for the development section, they can click on dogs and it'll take them directly to the section which they will know to implement. Let's undo that. Remove ready status. So in summary, frames are great for layouts, and sections are great for presentations and dev handoff. So there you go. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and learned a little bit about the difference between frames and sections. Let me know in the comments if you'd like to see any other topics covered in the creative space. And I thank you for watching. See you in the next one.